Hey everyone, in today's video, let's talk about how to use Google AI Studios to make your research faster and easier. Whatever the type or the nature of the research, you can use Google AI Studios for a better understanding and to gather resources. To start off, you need to select a model. In my opinion, for research purposes, you can select the Gemini 2.5 because it is great at understanding long and complex topics as well as summarizing information. Now, instead of trying a simple question, try giving it some context. So this is a sample prompt that I have used. Make sure you use a similar prompt which has more context and which is more detailed, explaining what you exactly need. Once you add in your prompt, you can hit run, and within a few seconds, you'll get a neat and focused summary which you can build on. If you're trying to dig deeper, you can select a particular topic or a subtopic inside of a broader topic and go inside. You can also paste sections from research papers and ask the model to explain them in a simple term. Once you have gathered what you need, you can click on the Get Code option on the top right of the screen if you want to integrate your prompt setup into a research tool or any application. So by following these simple steps, you can use Google AI Studios into your personal research assistant. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.